Best running shoes. Are you looking for the best running shoes? In this video we will look at 5 of the best running shoes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brooks Ghost 16. The Brooks Men's Ghost 16 neutral running shoe is engineered for runners seeking a perfect blend of comfort, cushioning, and reliable performance. Designed with neutral support, it's ideal for daily training, long-distance runs, and casual jogs alike. The Ghost 16 builds on the legacy of the popular Ghost line with several thoughtful upgrades, ensuring an even smoother and more responsive ride. At the heart of the shoe is the updated DNA Loft V3 midsole, which delivers lightweight, ultra-soft cushioning without sacrificing durability. This nitrogen-infused foam adapts to your stride, helping reduce impact and fatigue during longer sessions. The segmented crash pad along the sole promotes smooth heel-to-toe transitions, providing a consistent flow in every step. The engineered mesh upper enhances breathability and ensures a secure, flexible fit, conforming to the foot while keeping it cool. A padded collar and tongue contribute to all-around comfort, while the refined lacing system locks the foot in place without pressure points. Ideal for road running, the Ghost 16 offers reliable traction with its durable rubber outsole, which also contributes to long-term wear resistance. Whether you're a seasoned runner or just starting your fitness journey, this shoe supports a wide range of foot types thanks to its neutral design and balanced cushioning. In short, the Brooks Ghost 16 offers a plush, responsive ride in a lightweight package, perfect for runners who demand comfort and consistency. It remains a top choice for those looking for a dependable daily trainer with premium feel and smooth performance. Number 2. Saucony Triumph 22. The Saucony Men's Triumph 22 sneaker is a premium running shoe designed to deliver luxurious cushioning, advanced comfort, and a smooth ride for runners of all levels. Engineered with a plush underfoot feel, the Triumph 22 is ideal for those seeking maximum softness during long runs, recovery days, or everyday wear. At the core of the Triumph 22 is the brand new Purin PB foam midsole, Saucony's lightest and most responsive cushioning technology to date. This next-generation foam offers a springy and energetic feel while maintaining supreme softness, making it perfect for high-mileage training or anyone who simply values comfort. The added stack height contributes to an ultra-cushioned experience without adding unnecessary weight. The upper features an improved engineered mesh that wraps the foot in breathable support while adapting to its shape for a personalized, secure fit. A redesigned heel collar and tongue provide added plushness and reduce pressure on the ankle and top of the foot, enhancing overall comfort. With a wide platform and durable rubber outsole, the Triumph 22 ensures excellent grip and stability on the road. The rocker geometry in the sole encourages an effortless forward roll, helping reduce fatigue over longer distances. Whether you're logging miles, walking for fitness, or looking for an everyday sneaker with premium comfort, the Saucony Triumph 22 stands out for its exceptional cushioning, responsive feel, and stylish design. It's the ideal choice for runners who prioritize both performance and plush comfort in their footwear. Number 3. Reebok Floatride Energy 6. The Reebok Women's Floatride Energy 6 sneaker is built for runners and active women who want a balance of lightweight performance, comfort, and daily reliability. As part of Reebok's performance running line, the Floatride Energy 6 is an evolution of its popular predecessors, offering improved fit and support while retaining its energetic ride. At the core of the shoe is the Floatride Energy Foam midsole, known for being light yet highly responsive. This foam provides excellent cushioning and energy return, making it suitable for short runs, long miles, and even all-day wear. Whether you're jogging in the morning or on your feet throughout the day, it helps reduce impact and fatigue. The upper features an engineered mesh material that promotes breathability and flexibility, keeping your feet cool and supported. The new design includes a reshaped heel collar for a more secure and comfortable ankle fit, along with a traditional lace system for customizable lockdown. On the outsole, a full-length rubber pattern ensures durability and grip across various road surfaces. Flex grooves allow natural foot movement, helping maintain a smooth and consistent stride. Eco-conscious runners will appreciate that parts of the shoe are made with at least 30% recycled materials, aligning with Reebok's ongoing sustainability goals. In summary, the Reebok Floatride Energy 6 is a lightweight, responsive, and versatile running sneaker. With upgrades in comfort, sustainability, and fit, it's a solid choice for women looking for an affordable yet high-performing trainer for everyday runs or active lifestyles. Number 4. New Balance FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3. The New Balance FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3 is a performance-oriented running shoe designed to deliver explosive energy return and comfort for both long-distance training and tempo runs. Featuring an updated silhouette and advanced midsole technology, this shoe stands out with its FuelCell cushioning that offers a highly responsive and propulsive ride. The integration of Energy Arc technology, a carbon fiber plate embedded in a high-rebound foam, helps improve running efficiency by maximizing energy return with each stride. This version of the SuperComp Trainer sports a sleeker, more refined upper that balances breathability with support. The engineered mesh upper wraps the foot snugly without causing pressure points, and the redesigned heel collar improves ankle lockdown while reducing irritation. With a lower stack height than its predecessor, the V3 offers better stability while still providing ample cushioning underfoot. Ideal for runners seeking a high-performance shoe for marathon training, speed work, or recovery runs, the FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3 strikes a solid balance between comfort and propulsion. It performs well on both roads and track surfaces, offering excellent traction and a smooth transition through the gait cycle. Runners will appreciate the combination of lightweight feel and durable construction, which makes this shoe versatile enough for high-mileage use. Whether you're an experienced runner chasing personal bests or simply looking for a plush yet powerful training companion, the FuelCell SuperComp Trainer V3 is a standout option in New Balance's lineup of high-tech performance footwear. Number 5. Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 3 Running Shoe. The Adidas Women's Adizero Adios Pro 3 is engineered for elite-level performance, designed specifically for long-distance road racing and marathon runners seeking speed, energy efficiency, and comfort. This third-generation model in the Adios Pro line brings cutting-edge innovations, making it a top choice among competitive athletes. At the heart of the shoe is Adidas Energy Rods 2.0 technology, carbon-infused rods strategically placed within the midsole to mirror the bones of the foot, delivering a snappy, propulsive feel while reducing energy loss during toe-off. Combined with 2 layers of ultralight and responsive Lightstrike Pro foam, the Adios Pro 3 ensures maximum energy return without sacrificing cushioning, even during high-mileage efforts. The upper features a lightweight, breathable Cellular Mesh 2.0 material that offers structure and ventilation while keeping the foot secure during fast-paced runs. The redesigned heel and midfoot improve lockdown and stability, allowing for confident strides even at top speeds. A Continental rubber outsole provides exceptional grip and durability on various road surfaces, ensuring traction in both wet and dry conditions. Designed with the needs of competitive runners in mind, the Adizero Adios Pro 3 is ideal for race day, especially for distances ranging from 10K to the marathon. It's built to help runners shave off precious seconds and deliver peak performance when it matters most. If you're a serious runner aiming for personal records and need a shoe that matches your ambition, the Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 3 offers world-class technology in a sleek, race-ready package.